Hello student. Today we are going to discuss about the what is the different thermoplastic and thermosetting material. In previous lecture we have seen what is the thermoplastic material and what is the thermosetting material and elastomers. Now we will see the different types of thermoplastic material. In that first polystyrene. Polystyrene means the packaging foam, food, container, disposal, cups, plastic, cutlery, CD and cassette box are made of polystyrene material. Now, next polycarbonate means PC. The compact discs, eyeglass, diode, shield, security windows, traffic light, lenses are made by polycarbonate. Next one, what is the polythene material? The wide range of inexpensive use including supermarket bags, plastic bottle are made of polyethylene. Okay. Next, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. These are the tough, hard and rigid good chemical and heat resistance, easy in processing and machining, unaffected by water, inorganic salt, alkalis and many acid. They are soluble in ketones, aldehyde and ester. Next one is polycarbonate acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, where it is used a blend of PC and ABS that create a stronger plastic used in car interior and exterior part and mobile phone bodies. Okay. Next one is ABS, electronic equipment case like computer monitors, printers, keyboards and drainage pipe are made of this ABS plastic. Next one is ABS commonly used in telephone bodies, safety, helmets, TV casing, radios, control panels. Okay. In polypropylene characteristics and properties. It is a lightweight material, high tensile strength, excellent insulating substance, does not get affected by the moisture, unaffected by chemical like alkaline substance, acid, degrading agent and electrolyte attacks, etc. Now, a chair made with polypropylene sheet. Now we'll see what is a polypropylene. It where is used food container, appliances, car, fender, bumper, battery, plastic pressure pipe system, then spray bottle, nozzle as a fiber for durable carpet, films and sheet for packaging. Next one is polyethylene tetrafilate, where it is used the carbonates, drinks, bottle, jars, plastic film, microwave, packaging, then polyester, fiber and textile. Next one is polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride, the plumbing pipe and guttering, shower curtains, window frames and flooring are made from polyvinyl chloride plastic. Then polyurethanes, cushioning foam, thermal insulation foam, surface coating, printing rollers, currently 6th and 7th most commonly used plastic material for the instantaneous, the most commonly used plastic found in car. This is a some plastic material like PVC material in Korea, then 420D PVC. Next one is tetrafluoroethylene. Tetrafluoroethylene, it is a heat resistant, low friction coating used in things like a non-stick surface for frying pan, plumber, tape and water slide. It is more commonly known as Teflon. Now, polytetrafluoroethylene or Teflon. It can be fabricated into a desired shape by hot pressing and sintering. Then, excellent resistance to most of the chemicals and solvent, low coefficient of friction, good heat resistance and non-sticking property, It is a transparent in nature. Now application, chemical processing and petrochemical sector used for vessel lining, seals, spray, gasket, laboratory application, tubing, piping, containers due to resistance to chemical, electrical industry as insulator, then semiconductor sector as an insulator, in capacitor and the chip manufacturing process. Next one is nylon. Nylon polyamide. The produced by a series of condensation reaction between the amine and organic acid. Properties: high elongation, excellent abrasion resistance, melt instead of burning, high resistance to many chemicals, good electrical insulation and property. Application: nylon fabric used in carpet, musicals, ropes.
Yes, I did send you.
Application: nylon fabric used in carpet, musical string, ropes, solid nylon used for gear, screw, bearing and tire, etc. Then polyamide nylon. Polyamide is used for fiber, toothbrush, finishing line under the hood car engine molding. Next one, acrylic, polymethyl methaloacrylate. This is not able for excellent optical properties, transmitting 92% of incident light, attacked by intercontracted acid, but not by alkali. It is a highly resistant to weathering. Acrylic polymethyl methylacrylate. It is used to contact lens glancing, best known as this form by virus trade name around the world. Next one is Aglet fluorescent light diffuser, rear light cover for vehicle, nameplate, sink, bath, hospital equipment are made of acrylic metalloacrylate. Next one is thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastic first is epoxy. Epoxy or polyamide is a thermosetting material form a reaction of an epoxide resin with polyamide hardener. It has a wide range of application including a fiber reinforcement plastic material and general purpose adhesive. Next one is property. It has a good adhesive and electrical property, very tough and excellent hardness, high heat resistance, good corrosion resistance, good thermal shock resistance, good resistance to solvent and chemical. It used where the adhesive property, protective coating, electrical molding, used with fiberglass and laminates. Next one is phenolics or phenol formaldehyde or bakelite. It has a high modulus, relatively heat resistance and excellent fiber resistance polymer used for insulating part in electrical fixture, paper laminates, product example Formica, thermally insulation form. This is a phenol formaldehyde and bakelite. Some example is there. Now, it is a thermosetting plastic with the familiar trade name bakelite that can be molded by heat and pressure where mixed with a filler like wood flour or can be cast in its unfilled liquid form or cast as a foam. Problem include the probability of mold naturally being a dark color, red, green, brown. Now, melamine. Melamine is combined with formaldehyde to produce melamine resins, a very durable thermosetting plastic used in formica and melamine form. Property: high heat and moisture resistance, more resistance to chemical scratches, free and more expensive than high dimensional stability, high hardness, and it is affected by ultraviolet light. Application: the floor tiles, kitchenware, fire retardant fabric, commercial filters, glue for plywood, switches and plug, surface coating and laminates. Then urea formaldehyde, one of the aminoplastic and used as a multicolor alternative to phenolic used as a wood adhesive for plywood, chipboard, hardboard, and electric switch housing. These are made from urea formaldehyde. Now, melamine formaldehyde. It is one of the aminoplastic and used as a multicolor alternative to phenolic, for instance, in molding. Break resistance alternative to ceramic cups, plates and bowls for children, and the decorated top surface layer of paper laminates, example Formica. Then elastomers. The elastomers made from rubber. Now, the elastomers are divided into four types. First, butadiene rubber, acrylonitrile butadiene rubber, butyl rubber, and silicon rubber. The first one is natural rubber. The outstanding strain of natural rubber has maintained its position as the preferred material in many engineering applications. It has a long fatigue life and high strength even without reinforcing filler. Other than for thin section, it can be used for approximately 100 degrees Celsius and sometimes above. Next one is natural rubber. Natural rubber, it has a temperature up to range 100 degrees Celsius or with a special compounding up to 120 degrees Celsius. Nitrile rubber providing an economic material having a high resistance to aliphatic hydrocarbon oil and fuels. Different grades are available. The higher the acrylonitrile content, the higher the oil resistance, but poor in low temperature flexibility. Application, it is used in motor beds, gasket, oil deals, LPG houses, gloves and aprons, wire and cable coating. Next one is butyl rubber. This rubber has a very high impermeability to gas and it has use for the inner tubes of pneumatic tire and in a vacuum and high pressure application. It has an unusually broad loss peak so that dissipate having a glass transition temperature. Next one is styrene butadiene rubber. This is the highest volume in general purpose synthetic rubber. It is a very weak unless reinforcing filler are incorporated. With suitable filler, it is a strong rubber although not approaching the natural rubber or polychloroprene. Otherwise, it has a similar chemical and physical property to natural rubber with generally better abrasion resistance but poor fatigue resistance. Next one is styrene butadiene rubber. It has application automobile tire, footwear, cable insulation, house pipe, molding articles, floor tiles, and mechanical goods. Next one is butadiene rubber. This material has a very low glass transition temperature in the region 75 to 100 degrees Celsius. This results in very low high stresses and good flexibility at ambient temperature, and these properties are maintained to temperature will be zero. It has high abrasion resistance in several conditions, mainly used tire in blends with natural rubber and SBR, synthetic rubber. Then silicon rubber. It is a unique synthetic rubber which is made from cross-linked polymer that is reinforced with silica. Perfect balance of mechanical and chemical property. It has a property wide temperature range 250 to -80 degrees Celsius, better water and oil resistance, tensile strength and tear strength are superior than conventional rubber. Resistance to steam, glows in the dark, electrical conductivity, low smoke emission and flame resistance. Application: this rubber can be extruded in tubes, strips, solid cuts, suitable for casing, low mid alloy like a lead, tin, etc. Used in device, gasket, seals, insulation, wire, tubes, and cables. The property and application of some engineering material: ceramic, abrasive, adhesive, asbestos, cork, thermocol, and glass wool. This property we can see or we will see in next lecture. Okay, thank you.